Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury Channel. Bold, elegant, unapologetically American. Today, we take a ride back to the golden age of automotive excess with one of the most iconic luxury convertibles ever built, the 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible. Exterior. In 1957, Cadillac wasn't just building cars, they were sculpting dreams in steel and chrome. And the Eldorado Biarritz Convertible. It was the crown jewel. Just over 1,800 of these rolling masterpieces were ever made. Up front, the Biarritz features a massive egg crate grille flanked by dual headlights and generous chrome accents that shimmer in the sunlight. The long, sweeping hood leads into Cadillac's signature styling cue, bold, aerodynamic lines flowing into dramatic rear tail fins that scream, jet age. The car stretches over 18 feet long, resting on whitewall tires and chrome saber spoke aluminum wheels, a detail exclusive to the Eldorado line. And let's not forget the parade boot that covers the convertible top, enhancing the Biarritz's glamorous presence when the roof is down. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with 1950s luxury at its peak. The Biarritz doesn't just impress outside, it cocoons its occupants in comfort and cutting-edge features of the time. Premium leather seats, deep pile carpeting, and a wraparound dash covered in brushed aluminum give the cabin a sense of space and sophistication. The interior was available in a range of vibrant two-tone color schemes, a true sign of Cadillac's bespoke approach. You got power windows, power-adjustable front seats, and even an automatic trunk opener, all standard. The signal-seeking AM radio and analog clock added flair, while the heater and defroster were cutting-edge comfort tech for their day. Performance. Under the hood lies a beast, a 365 cubic inch V8 engine producing a healthy 325 horsepower, paired to a 4-speed Hydra-Matic automatic transmission. That's serious muscle for the 1950s. Despite its size and weight, tipping the scales at over 5,000 pounds, the Biarritz could cruise at highway speeds with ease and a level of refinement that made it feel more like a yacht than a car. The ride quality is plush, thanks to Cadillac's advanced coil spring suspension and power steering, which made maneuvering this land yacht surprisingly manageable. It wasn't built for corners, it was built for cruising in style. The 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A symbol of success, freedom, and America's post-war confidence, all wrapped in chrome and curves. Today, it stands as one of the most collectible Cadillacs ever made, admired not just for its rarity, but for the artistry, performance, and presence that defined an era. If ever a car captured the spirit of the 50s, this is it. Thanks for joining us on this ride through automotive history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite classic car? Until next time, keep the top down and the chrome shining.